So anyway, I'm making the Windows X. Whoa, focus. I love this task failed successfully. I'm gonna change the icon to this icon. Wait, this icon right here, because I really like it. But unexpected. I love the Era 404. So this started from the Era 404 costumes, and I just thought it would be very fun to make like an actual like the Windows error message. So I'm making it out of felt, similar to task failed successfully. Yeah, so this ought to be fun. So I guess because my camera is not cooperating, I'll just record the parts that I have, and then I'll skeleton monkey, and then I'll clip them together. Camera, GFY, and then when I put them together, then I don't know. I'll figure out some magic. We've got the exclamation point. Whoa. Focus. So we've got the exclamation point. We've got the X, which I'll show you a better one, but I wanted this exclamation point. Okay. Wait, focus. Focus. Task failed successfully. So I have this X that it has. Should have made the edges round, but it's okay. And then focus on that. I need to make the OK. I need to make the OK button, which I'm thinking that I'm gonna do in raised gray, and then a black outline.
But let's go on to this OK, and we're gonna do OK black. I don't know. I haven't decided, but let's do this in light gray. I know I'm gonna do the dots that it has. These dots right here, I'm gonna do them in pen. But I haven't decided if I'm going to do the letter in pen yet. Take this light gray one and put it on the dark gray one to get that edging. You know, that same edging that's here, where it's like a slightly larger square, and the same edging that's here, where it's like a slightly larger hazard triangle. And keep it pushing.
Keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Would that be?
Oh, I've never killed anyone.
Well, you must have done something real bad, right? Something real bad. Not even in his late night.
Okay, just take a breath. Oh, woosah. Oh, woosah. Okay, so we're on the testing part. So now I'm going to move this. Mind you, by the way, my crazy insane cackling was due to the fact that I just checked the recording on my phone and everything is awesome. So I need to test them on my pieces to make sure that they will show up in their proper form before I put it on my final. Because if I mess up my final, I'm going to be mad.
And I don't have enough fabric to do another one. And if I did, it would be smaller and it would make me sad. So, first off, always have a bunch of extra fabric. I did this, excuse me. It's good that you can't smell that. My burps normally don't have any smell, but there was just a lot in your ear. Okay, always, have extra fabric, okay? At least double what you intend to do for your project, because what if you do mess up? Then you're gonna have to change your whole idea because you don't have enough fabric. Look at this. This is some baloney. Anyway, number B. I forgot something. Have enough fabric. Oh. Always test your process. So, in the sad little cases, like this case right here, where you don't have enough fabric to duplicate your thing if you mess up, in that case, shoot, I forgot what I was going to say. Test it. Test your process. Test what you're trying to do.
So let's put this thing back and get to testing, and go from there. Definitely go from there. Okay. I should do the dots first. I should do dots first and then decide.
Okay, so here's the problem. This okay. Oh, I didn't know that was open. This okay needs to be the same font as whatever I put over here. And up here too, but less so because this is more so going to be like fluffy, molded, boxy kind of. So, whatever way I decide to write this one on, this one here, this is how the font's going to be. Here's the problem. I don't like how this yellow pen is writing on this felt. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think it's ugly. Okay, I tried it again. I just don't like it. I tried all these different O's, and I just don't like it because let me tell you why. The felt is fuzzy. Okay, so we know this because we've been doing with this felt, is we've had fuzzier parts. But here's the thing, when you're writing with the pen and the pen is moving around the fibers, it just kind of doesn't really do what you need it to do. I want it to kind of be like computer print, floating on top. So, I'm probably going to have to reevaluate how I'm doing this. Now, the dots worked out well because I was digging them in one spot and I wasn't shifting the fibers. I have no clue how I'm going to do this Windows thing, okay? So, I don't really know, but I'm going to figure it out.
Ooh. I kind of like that. Yay! Yay! So, I just tried to get a lot of that fuzziness so that it would have some crispness. What do you think? Do you think it's cool? Because I think it's cool. What do you think, Christine? Okay, so I am so close. I am so close.